Okay.
Just down.
Almost like a putt.
Yeah, I'm feeling like a putt.
Yeah.
Stop. Stop. Just down.
Okay.
Even I down, it goes turn.
Right.
It is very easy to turn. So I don't need to turn like this. What I'm doing is just down.
Right.
When
And then
down,
it'll turn itself.
Yeah. When it by itself, it's going to be turns. It's toe balance. Toe is going to be very easy to turn.
Okay.
So you don't need to close. What you have to do is just feeling down, like this feeling. It's feeling like chopping.
Okay. Okay.
This feeling. And we are going to work here, and this. Stop. More and more, I'm going to stop away here. Stop. 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 Here. Stop away. Stop away. And down. More and more.
Okay.
The first, a little bit
You
away.
started slow
Yeah,
and
slow.
then wrap it up.
Yeah.